hazard reported. It's a 2-3 stroker motor, so it's got a 100mm crank in it, aftermarket pistons, aftermarket rods built up. It is running a Holset HX35 8-blade intake, a Herb Brown ported Evo 3 manifold, and a FP Performance exhaust manifold. Of course, tile stuff throughout. Comp cams, Manley springs and retainers, Wiseco pistons, Eagle rods, that whole mix. And other than that, Nitrous kit that's been kind of put together by myself. It runs DEI Nitrous solenoids, a little tiny 25 shot just to get it up on the converter quicker. It's a factory stall in the otherwise factory automatic. A bit more robust than the 5 speeds, but it'll get up on the converter without the nitrous because of the displacement that it has now. So makes enough torque to overrun that converter and bring on 20 plus PSI out of a diesel turbo and a 4-cylinder.
What do you have it set at now?
It's at 22 PSI. If we take it to 35 PSI, that's kind of when the turbo is going to start running out of steam in the back half. Like the turbine housing is going to be a restriction.
Yeah.
But by all means, it is capable of running that. That diesel turbo is just right now getting into its efficiency range. It's the turbine housing that I have on there that keeps it a bolt-on affair versus going with like a T3 flanged or a T4 flanged, which requires quite a bit more customizing. But that HX will easily break 400 and start really tipping into 500. Now with the automatic on a dyno, it hides it. You don't get the numbers out of it that you would expect out of something that's straight. You know, a DSG car, you feel it. It feels like it's making every bit of 400 horsepower. In a manual, you feel it. You get that clutch pop that puts you back into the seat, and it's 400 horsepower. This, you could make 600, you're not going to feel it. But you're keeping up with them, if not blowing their doors off. So 370 is what it makes to the wheels on a Mustang dyno. It's sitting just over 300 foot-pounds of torque.